Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this butter bread. So yummy, so sweet. You can call it agege bread. Okay, if you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, just click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. You can open all notifications so that any day I post any new video you will get it as an alert. And to my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share to your friends. Feel free to invite a friend to this channel. In this channel we'll tutor you how to bake cake, decorate and different pastries and many more. Let's start. 800 grams of flour, half cup of sugar, 125 grams of butter, a teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 1 teaspoon of salt, half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, instant yeast 1.5 tablespoon. This is the vanilla I'll be using, and you need warm water for the mix. This instant yeast, that is why I will not be mixing it in a warm water with sugar and allow it to rise. Instant yeast, you can use it right into your mixture. Why, if you do not see instant yeast, you can buy active yeast. Active yeast, measure and put inside your warm water, inside a little warm water. Add a little quantity of sugar, mix and cover. It will rise before you start using. And combine everything together before you start adding your warm water. Knead to up to 15 minutes. You place in your bowl well and cover with your kitchen towel if you don't have a cling film. You allow it to double in size before you continue. Grease your pan with butter and dust with flour. Now you can see it has already doubled in size. Now knead a little bit and you share it out. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can still use your hand and do this. Allow it to rest for at least 30 minutes or 20 minutes to rise a bit before you start baking. Bake up to 30 to 45 minutes. Depending, from 30 minutes you start checking your bread. You can see it has already come up a bit. So you see this one has already come up very well. So it's time to bake. You can get this pan from the market. You see, our bread is ready, looking so yummy. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Very lovely. Wow, you can see our bread, so beautiful. Don't forget to like my video. If this is your first time of watching my video, please make sure you like my video. Feel free to subscribe. For the new viewers, this is your first time of watching my video, make sure you click the subscribe button so that you will not miss my next video coming up. Our bread is so yummy. My agege bread, so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.